Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to fix Valorant stuck at 0.1 kbs in downloading. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser, and then on the search itself, you're going to look for how to fix Valorant stuck at download 0.1 kbps. In here, you will see on how to fix it. Now we're just going to click on the first link that appears. But before that, here it is, how to fix Valorant download at 0.1 kb. First is you exit the launcher, right click on your taskbar, and then click on Task Manager. Once done, search for Riot Vanguard and other processes starting with Riot. Now right-click on all of the Riot processes and click End Process. Once you're done with that, start the download again. You can do so by opening your Riot, League of Legends, or Valorant client launcher once again. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.